Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today I'm still gonna keep on my alarms. However, I have my phone with me and I actually downloaded a voice mod app. I tried connecting. I don't know if you guys heard that. I'm gonna go ask people in random pubs. Your soundboard. Yo, does anybody? Yo, does anybody here want to hear a soundboard?
Scared, bro. I'm scared.
I'm scared too.
Hey, Blue, do you want to hear a soundboard?
Oh, frick. Why did I have to do that?
Do you want to hear a soundboard? Do you want to hear a soundboard?
Oh, jeez. Oh, no.
Hey, Black, do you want to hear a soundboard?
You want to please? I'm better than you. What are you sorry for? What are you sorry for?
Please, mommy. Please, mommy. Oh,
Bro, just quit. Just quit. Just quit the game. Easy. Easy. Got him. It was so easy, bro.
Hey, Pink Hat. Do you want to hear a soundboard? Do you want to hear a soundboard? Hey, 2024 glasses, 2024. Do you want to hear a soundboard?
yeah.
Alright, 1 second. I have a voice mod app here on my phone. Let me know if you can hear it.
I hear. How'd you get that? How do you get that?
You have to download it on your phone. Yeah?
I have to.
Okay.
You cannot have me.
1 second, I need my charger.
I'm a guy. Bro. Guys, I'm a top hat. I'm a top hat.
Oh, wait, do you know where any tape is? Dang it. Why did you guys put a chair in Ellie's room? How am I supposed to play VR? Mom, how am I supposed to play VR up here? No, I can't play VR. I wanted to play VR, but now I can't.